Hello everyone. Bitquery recently launched Bitcoin Kafka streams that provide a low latency Bitcoin transaction data. So Bitquery also provides the same protobuf Kafka streams for other L1 and L2 chains. So in this video we will focus on Bitcoin streams alone. First, all you need to do is set up a Kafka consumer and subscribe to the btc.transactions.proto topic. So the data is in the protobuf format. We have both SSL and non-SSL endpoints for you to use. The Bitcoin stream includes detailed information on the transaction, including input, output, unspent transaction details, along with detailed opcodes. Some the meaning for these opcodes can be found in the Bitcoin developer documentation. So this transaction detail, which arrives in real time, is useful for custodians and exchanges that need real time Bitcoin transaction information. You can request a trial credentials by contacting the Bitquery team either through our Telegram, email, or by filling the form on our website.